Come here, Nadia. Come on. Come here, little lady. Nadia's a little hungry. She's not very happy. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. We'll get you some food. Just come on over here. You're making an awful lot of racket. Come here, little girl. Well, maybe you can read a book before you eat. No, you're going to play with Daddy's ripped pants instead. Can you say hi? Let's not touch the camera. Okay, we'll go get some food.